The World Wide Web didn't arrive fully formed. It wasn't delivered in a neat package with an instruction manual. Instead, it grew, piece by piece, over 30 years. It started as a simple idea in a research lab. The goal was to let scientists share documents. These documents were just text, with blue underlined links you could click. That was it. No pictures, no videos, no shopping carts. Just a way to jump from one piece of information to another. This simple concept, however, held the seed of something much bigger. It was a revolution waiting to happen, built on a series of small logical steps. This story matters because the web is now the single most important platform for software development. It runs our businesses, our social lives, our entertainment. Understanding how it was built is not just an academic exercise. It helps you understand why developers make the choices they do today. Every new framework, every new tool is an attempt to solve a problem that emerged from a previous era. The history of the web is a history of problems and their solutions. It's a story of smart people seeing a limitation and building something new to overcome it. We are going to walk through that history, milestone by milestone. Let's start at the very beginning, in the early 1990s. The first milestone was a language called HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It wasn't a programming language like C or Java. You couldn't use it for complex calculations. Its job was much simpler. Give structure to a text document, show simple tags, for a paragraph, and for a heading. By the mid-1990s, the web was growing fast. People were making personal home pages and businesses were creating their first websites. But there was a problem. The design tools were very limited. Developers were using HTML tags to control the look of their pages. They used tags like to set colors and sizes. They used invisible tables to create layouts with columns. This was a messy, inefficient way to work. If you wanted to change the color of all the headings on your website, you had to go into every single page and change every single tag. It was a nightmare. The solution came in the form of CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS was introduced in the mid-1990s as a way to separate a page's structure, HTML, from its presentation, style. With a single external style sheet, you could write a rule like, all headings should be blue and 24 points tall. The browser would then apply that rule to every heading on every page that linked to that style sheet. This was a massive improvement. It made websites easier to maintain and faster to load, since the styling rules could be